Hello, students. This is Teacher Ken. Welcome to another episode of Intermediate English for Work and Travel. We will continue learning structures with actions versus modals for the correct use of to. For today's exercise, we will be using the word but to contrast the expressions. Lesson 13, Box A2 and Exercise 4, pages 132 and 133 on English sentence structure. The book is available for free through the link in the description. We will be using pages 145 and 146 on the PDF. Ready to learn? Let's go! So, when we need to end a statement with a modal auxiliary, we do not use to. We never use to after a modal auxiliary. Look at the first sentences in box A2 and repeat after me. John doesn't study medicine. He should study medicine. John doesn't study medicine, but he should. Now, when we want to finish the statement with an action, we must use to at the end. Let's read the new pattern out loud. Repeat after me. John doesn't study medicine. He wants to study medicine. John doesn't study medicine, but he wants to. Let's read the additional examples. Make sure you leave the questions in the comments. Repeat after me. John didn't go, but he plans to. Mary plans to go, but she doesn't want to. John should study tomorrow, but he isn't planning to. Very good. Now, let's practice this structure with exercise 4. It's a substitution exercise. All sentences will start with he didn't go, but. And we have to finish it with the correct modal or action with to. I will say my part. Give you a moment to give the full answer out loud, and then say it myself so you can compare and repeat for correction. He didn't go, but he plans to. Once. He didn't go, but he wants to. Wanted. He didn't go, but he wanted to. Can. He didn't go, but he can. Is planning. He didn't go, but he is planning to. Plans. He didn't go, but he plans to. Intends. He didn't go, but he intends to. Hopes. He didn't go, but he hopes to. Might. He didn't go, but he might. Expects. He didn't go, but he expects to. Expected. He didn't go, but he is expected to. Let me repeat number 6. He didn't go, but he expected to. Number 7. Is expecting. He didn't go, but he's expecting to. Should. He didn't go, but he should. Will. He didn't go, but he will. Is intending. He didn't go, but he is intending to. Hoped. He didn't go, but he hoped to. Would like. He didn't go, but he would like to. Will try. He didn't go, but he will try to. Needs. He didn't go, but he needs to. Has. He didn't go, but he has to. Is hoping. He didn't go, but he is hoping to. Must. He didn't go, but he must. Might decide. He didn't go, but he might decide to. Is going to try. He didn't go, but he is going to try to. Wanted. He didn't go, but he wanted to. Can. He didn't go, but he can. Wants. He didn't go, but he wants to. Very good. Was it easy? Not so much for some, I bet. If you want more practice on this structure, go to English Structure Practices. On Lesson 13, Exercise 2, pages 185 and 186, PDF 511 and 512. And that's all for today's episode. Thank you for your continued support. Like this video so it can reach more students, and remember that English is easy. You just need to practice. See you next class.